Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. In this video, we will try and understand scenarios. Now, what do I mean by this? That there's a person who does an equity SIP, an SIP into an equity mutual fund. But in this case, there are two things that can happen. One is he starts it late, he delays it by a bit, and what can be the impact? And second thing is if he underinvest, he could have started with a higher amount, but for some reason he doesn't start with that amount and starts with a lesser amount. तो क्या problem आ सकता है? So cost of delay and cost of under investment. This will teach you, or rather this will tell you the beauty of compounding and how important time is in this. So let's look at this. In this case, he's saving for retirement through equity SIP in equity mutual funds. So in this case, he's saving for his retirement through equity SIP, that is an SIP into equity mutual funds. Here in the first sheet, we'll understand and analyze the cost of delay. कि अगर वो late चालू करता है तो क्या हो सकता है? If he delays and starts it later than usual, then what can happen? So we are assuming that he's investing 10,000 per month. We are assuming a CAGR, a return on interest of 12%. Return on investment of 12% CAGR, which is largely what any equity mutual fund will give you in the long term, and which is a fair enough assumption to be made. Investment is made till he is 50 years of age. So let's assume that he decides उसको 50 साल पे रिटायर होना है, तो क्या हो सकता है? And we are considering scenarios where he delays his SIP by 3 years every time. So अभी ये देखते हैं कि पहला सिनारियो ये है कि उसका एज 25 है and he is investing for 25 years, which is until the age of 50. So he invests 10,000 per month. His corpus at the age of 50 is a massive 1 crore 70 lakhs. Okay. Now the scenario is if he delays it by 3 years, कि वो 25 साल के जगह 28 साल, that is instead of 25 he starts it at 28 and invests for 22 years. Then if you see his corpus reduces drastically to 1 crore 18 lakh. This is because he loses on some years of compounding. अगेन नाउ इफ यू सी के और 3 साल अगर वो लेट कर देता है और वो ही इन्वेस्ट ओनली फॉर 19 इयर्स, ही स्टार्ट्स एट द एज ऑफ 31, तो उसका कॉर्पस वापस रिड्यूस हो जाता है टू 80 lakhs. सिमिलरली टू 54 lakhs, then it reduces to 35 lakhs, then it reduces to 22 lakhs, and if he starts at the age of 43 and does it only for 7 years, then his corpus is only 12,88,000 odd. So what do we understand by this? That the sooner you start, the better it is, and delay impacts your compounding drastically. So if you see, this is the subtraction that we have given कि अगर वो late चालू करता है, so if he could have started at 25 but he does at 28, he is getting hit by 50 lakhs, 52 lakhs rather. And then if he starts again 3 years late, तो उसका original corpus, he could have started at 25 but he starts later at say when he's 31, so his corpus reduces by close to 90 lakhs, 89 lakhs. And similarly, अगर वो डायरेक्ट 43 पर चालू करता है इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टार्टिंग एट 25 when he could have done a 10,000 SIP आराम से, तो his corpus gets hit by 1 crore 50 lakhs odd. So this is what happens when you delay an SIP. So time is the most essential factor. Time is the beauty in compounding. Now we will look at the second scenario. This second scenario is when if he decides, rather he could have done an SIP of 10,000 per month in an equity mutual fund, but he doesn't do that, and then he could have done an SIP of 20,000 per month, but he doesn't do that and he does an SIP of only 10,000 per month. So क्या हो सकता है इसमें? So again we are assuming a CAGR of 12% and we are considering that is under investing. So if you see 10,000 का SIP अगर 10 साल करते हैं तो आपका कॉर्पस हो जाता है 22 लाख के आसपास, 22 lakhs odd. Now if he does an SIP of 20,000 instead, then his corpus doubles to 45 lakhs, and these are important 10 years of your life. Please understand, whether we are looking at cost of delay or cost of under investment, these are important years of your life. You cannot delay your retirement for any reason because it's important to you. Neither can you say that you can delay your death. Unfortunately, this is something that we'll have to talk about. Neither retirement can be delayed because you started late, neither death can be delayed because you started late. So please understand, time is the essential factor. Start on time, have a proper financial plan, and start with a proper amount without having a trial and error or hesitation or procrastinating approach. Thank you so much, everyone. This was my explanation for this. I hope it was useful as well as interesting for you. Thank you.